We now have question 42. We have to evaluate this expression and give the answer in its simplest form. Okay, so the easiest way to think about this one is think back to expanding brackets. You get A, B plus C. Now you can do AB plus AC by multiplying the A by the B, then A by C and adding together. But there's another way you can think about this. You can think about this as A being multiplied by the inside of the bracket. So you do B plus C, then you multiply that by A, and that's the way I think is the easiest way to do this one. So we're going to do 5/6 plus 3/5, then multiply by 3 and 1/3. So let's do 5/6 plus 3/5. The first thing we have to do is we have to find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 5. Now 6 times 5 is 30, but the highest common factor is 1. So you multiply the 6 and the 5 and you divide by the highest common factor. So that gives you 30. So you need to make equivalent fractions with the denominators being 30, because if you add fractions, the denominators have to be made the same. So if we multiply by 5 on the left fraction and 6 on the right one, remember we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator, giving you 25. And this would be 18, which gives you a total of 43 over 30. And that's us done the first section. We then have to multiply this by 3 and 1/3. So we say 3 and 1/3. And this is then multiplied by 43 over 30. Now we want to write 3 and 1/3 as a top heavy fraction. So 3 and 1/3 is 3 plus 1/3. And 3 is essentially 9 over 3 plus 1 over 3 is 10 over 3. So this is 10 over 3 multiplied by 43 over 30. Now we want to look at the numerator of the left fraction and the denominator of the right one and cancel out the highest common factor. The highest common factor is 10, so I can put a 1 will divide both by 10 and put a 3. Now, 3 and 43, the highest common factor and the only common factor is 1, so we can't cancel anything. So we'll get 1 times 43 is 43, all divided by all over 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. So that's going to be 4 plus something. Now 43 minus 36 is 7. So you've got 4 and 7 ninths. An easy way to think about this is if you have 43, divide by 9, you get 4 with a remainder of 7. So this is the final answer. So I hope you found this useful. And once again, best of luck with your studying.